Okay, let's go over homework 1.5 number 8. Alright, so we have this limit square root of x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 7 as x approaches 7. Right, so first thing we should try is just plug in 7, see what happens. So you can see that if you plug in 7 on the bottom, so you can see that the denominator is 7 minus 7, so denominator goes to 0. Alright, the numerator is going to be square root of 7 plus 2, so square root of 9, which is 3, minus 3. So also the numerator goes to 0 as well. Alright, so we need to do something. So here's the trick. So if you multiply the numerator and the denominator by something very similar to square root of x plus 2 minus 3. So we do almost the same thing except that they're going to put a plus sign. Right, so square root of x plus 2 plus 3. Right, we have to do the same thing to the bottom. So we multiply top and bottom by exactly the same thing. Right. So remember that when you have quantity a minus b times quantity a plus b, then this comes out to be a squared minus b squared. Right? This is very convenient because since a is squared and the b is also squared, so when you have square root, then we can get rid of the square root by doing this trick. So what you're going to get is, so it's going to be a limit as x approaches 7. Right? Then when you multiply those numerators together, what you get is square root of x plus 2, so that's like a here, squared. So you get just x plus 2 because it gets squared. Right? Minus b in this case is 3, so 3 squared would be 9. Right? On the bottom we can't do much, so we just have to write so you have a quantity x plus 7, right, times square root of x plus 2 plus 3. Right, so if you combine together, you can see that this is the numerator is x minus 7. Right, so you can cancel x minus 7 on the bottom and x minus 7 on top, so you're going to have 1 on top. Alright, then so maybe I should clean it up first. So we have limit as x approaches 7, and the function is 1 over square root of x plus 2 plus 3. Right, now we can plug in, and x approaches 7, so you're going to have 1 over square root of, right, now x is going to 7 plus 2 plus 3. So you can see that it's going to be 1 over, right, square root of 9, which is 3 plus 3, so it's going to be 6. Right, so the limit is 1/6. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.